Imagine your slides actually looking like this. I'm not talking about typical templates. I mean interactive presentations with clickable elements, motion, video, and rich visuals, all built with AI. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another AI video. Today we're diving into Dokie AI, a presentation tool that's changing the game, especially because of their new interactive presentations feature. More on that shortly. Dokie lets you create presentations that actually move, respond, and bring your ideas to life. And in this video, I'm going to show you what interactive presentations built with Dokie actually look like. And then we're going to build a few presentations together, including an AI focused one and then a real world use case. So to get started, head on over to Dokie.ai. Of course, the link is going to be in the description as always. Let's go ahead and click on Get Started at the very top. I'm going to continue with Google. All right, now here is the main interface. Now, before we jump into things, I want to show you an example presentation built with Dokie. All right, so here we go. This one is called Amazing Ocean World. So we're going to explore the mysteries of the great white sharks, jellyfish, and sea turtles. Let's go ahead and hit the next slide. So here are the friends that we're going to meet today. And in the next slide, we have a 3D model of a great white shark. So right away, you can see how Dokie brings visuals to life within their slides. So this is really cool stuff. All right, now we have a great white shark and it's a skeletal x-ray. So I'm just going to come over here and drag my mouse over the shark and we can see we have an x-ray of the shark. So this is super interactive. Now the next slide is just a quick demo just to show off the x-ray vision some more. So we've got a character from Minecraft. Let's have a look at what's inside. Again, just a super fun example. The next one here, we're going to click the model to view the internal structure. So here we go. Let's have a look here. We're able to break this camera piece by piece to really show what's inside. Next one here is on Jellyfish. Then of course we have an interactive video to show exactly what we're talking about. And then the exact same kind of thing for our sea turtle. Here is our last slide. Protect the ocean, start with me. Let's protect these lovely ocean friends together. So there we go. There is a quick example of what could be made with Dokie. Now, as you are probably well aware, most AI presentation tools still treat slides like static pages. Sure, you can generate content, tweak text, adjust layouts, but one small edit can throw everything off, which can be extremely frustrating. Now, of course, Dokie takes a different approach. With their interactive presentations, slides can include clickable and draggable elements. You can embed animated 3D models, video, and music. So in other words, you're effectively guiding attention and telling a story. All right, now we're going to give this a shot for ourselves. So for the first demo, I'm going to go with an AI focused slide. All right, so here's my prompt. Create a presentation explaining how AI helps with everyday work tasks, writing, research, design. Designed for a non-technical audience. Use clear visuals, simple language, and real-world examples. Let's go ahead and punch this in. All right, now right away, this is going to open up the key information tab. So we've got the subject, we've got the scenario. I'm going to keep the page count on auto, and then we're going to pick a theme. So I'm going to click on view all right here. Now there's a bunch of themes to go through. All you got to do is hover your mouse over and slide left to right to get an idea of the entire slides. So I'm going to scroll down here. We'll see which one catches our eye. A lot of these are super clean and minimalistic. I'm going to go with Black Industry Report. So if I hover my mouse over again, I can get an idea of how all the slides are going to look. So let's select this and then hit apply at the bottom here. Okay, and then I'm just going to confirm everything. All right, here we go. Our presentation is ready. It is titled How AI Helps. So the first thing you're going to notice here is we have a really cool 3D model of this AI character. Kind of looks like he's on a skateboard. We've got our table of contents. We got the next slide. AI helps you work faster by doing the first pass. We've got you, AI, you, final output. Then we have what AI is good for, what you still do. Let's go to the next one. We've got before AI and then after AI, how AI processes your request. You provide input and context. AI analyzes and generates options. You review and refine. Notice the slight interaction here with the models. That's really cool. 3 common ways AI helps you at work. We've got writing, research, design, and then we have a prompt idea for each of these little sections here. All right, next one, writing assistant in action. So we have our input, we've got messy notes, and then with the AI process is fixing grammar, expanding the points and tone, and then we have a nice little cleaned up output. All right, next slide, we've got our scattered sources, websites, reports, news, data, and then this is going to turn into a market analysis summary. Then we have our output, which is organized insights, market analysis summary. Second to last slide, we've got the design iteration process. So we have describe idea, AI concepts, give feedback. Then we have this nice little loop icon right in the middle. Then our last slide is a nice little thank you. All right, now here's where it gets interesting. So I can make edits manually right at the top. So let's hover our mouse over. We've got add to chat, image, chart, content, animation, layout, so we can do this all manually, or I can simply come on over and chat with the chat box to make my refinements. So why don't we come on over to slide 4. So I'm just going to say this. Give slide 4 a cinematic AI B-roll backdrop. Let's go ahead and punch this in. All right, now here we go. Let's have a look at our new and improved slide. And right away, we can see it has a super cinematic look. I love how the lighting pans left and right, and we can see the change in the colors here. This just gives that subtle motion so the presentation feels alive and not too overwhelming. This time around, I want to build a marketing presentation, one that focuses on a new customer health product, including the problem, product concept, core benefits, visual positioning, and a clear call to action. All right, so here's my prompt. As you're about to see, this one's going to be super detailed. Create a professional and persuasive marketing presentation for a newly launched high oleic peanut butter. The style should be fun and modern, include subtle hand-drawn elements, while maintaining the premium feel of a high-quality food consumer brand. And I go to say that this is primarily going to be used for a brand launch and market promotion, and that overall this presentation should strike a strong balance between professional messaging and visual appeal. Feel free to pause this video so you can read the prompt in full, but I'm going to go ahead and pick a theme now. You can actually come on over to custom and you can import your own theme. So maybe you want something that matches your brand coloring and style to really give your presentation a one-for-one look. All right, let's go with yellow team strategy right here. Hit apply. Let's punch this in. Here we go. Let's have a look at our presentation. So here it is: high oleic peanut butter, premium, natural, organic forward, brand launch and market promotion. Here's our table of contents, the reason to choose us, and I really like this nice clean visual on the right hand side. Here's our product snapshot, so what it is versus what it isn't, the difference between regular peanuts versus high oleic peanuts. In the case of our product, slower oxidation means longer lasting quality. We have 2 bar graphs here, including real world stability test and shelf life multiplier. Here's a slide on trust signals shoppers recognize. And the next slide reads, built for modern routines. Next up is the value story. So we've got differentiation, trust, brand growth, repeat purchase, and this is the retail flywheel. And then the second to last slide, let's launch together. Whether you're a retail or distributor or a consumer, we can set a meeting, confirm assortment, and align the launch plan. And then the last slide is a nice little thank you. All right, now right away, I'm going to come over to the chat box because I have a refinement that I want to go with. Let's give this follow-up a go. Create a new slide between slide 3 and slide 4 titled Premium Ingredients. In this slide, add a large close-up of a single full peanut in PNG format with a transparent background, a cutout peanut. Let's go ahead and punch this in. All right, here is that slide I just asked for, and it is titled Premium Ingredients. This emphasizes that it's 100% natural, high oleic profile, and farm to jar. All right, so here's my vision with the slide. I'm going to select my peanut by clicking right here. Then I'm going to come on over to the top and click on animation, and let's come on over to advanced and click on 3D model because I want to turn my peanut into a 3D model. Okay, and just like that, we've got our 3D model of our peanut, and we can easily interact with it by clicking and dragging it just like this. Now for this next refinement, I want to see if I can add relevant data for this topic and turn it into a clean comparison chart. And here's my prompt. Help me find relevant market data on healthy nut butter products, including trends, growth figures, consumer insights, and category performance. Then generate a clear, visually compelling chart that effectively presents these key data points in a way that's easy to understand and use this in a presentation. Let's punch this in. Now we have a new slide titled Market Opportunity. So I'm just going to go ahead and blow this up. We've got global nut butter market growth, projected growth from 2025 to 2032, and I can hover my mouse over the bars just like this. We've got segment growth, organic versus conventional, regional market share, others, Europe, Asia Pacific, and North America, and then we have key consumer insights. All right, so here's the takeaway. Dokie AI is all about AI that understands structure, interactive presentations that hold attention, and editing without breaking the design. So whether you're working on a presentation for school or pitching concepts for work, Dokie will literally amaze your audience, so be sure to give it a try today. And if you want to try building interactive presentations yourself, you can head over to Dokie.ai. I'll have the link in the description and pinned comment below as always. And with all that, good luck and have fun with your creations.